Hello everyone, my name is Danny. In today's video we're gonna talking about the part 4 in the risk management. We're gonna going for the risk reward ratio and describe it for you. What's the best performance on the risk reward ratio? The purpose of this channel, we not sell any dream to you. We're talking about the reality and the market. We're talking about how to be successful trader. And I have a Discord channel as well. If you want, you can follow my Discord channel. I'll leave a link in the description. Let's get started. Risk to reward ratio is a formula used to measure the expected gain of the given investment against the risk of the loss. When we have a short and long setup, we're gonna go in for the draw it by the short and long setup. On this part, I'll put it on the favorite. We are on the Phantom USDT. I'll post this setup on my Discord channel. As you can see here, Phantom, we're gonna go in for the 2 entry, right? First one is 24 and the entry second is gonna be 24.6, and that is our take a profit, and that is our stop loss. That is maximum leverage that you can set it up. We're gonna go in for the chart again. That is our strategy that is been set up on the chart. As you can see here, we have a multi entry, right? The 24 cent and the 24.6, right? That is our entry point for the short setup. We have our strategy been set it up under this chart, right? And that is give us the thing. Our risk reward ratio is gonna be 3, right? If we enter the first one and don't enter the second entry, our risk reward ratio is gonna be 3. As you can see here, our risk reward ratio is 3. But if you, for example, the setup is been coming here and the first entry been set and the second entry been filled too, right? Our risk reward ratio is gonna be 4.71. That is really important to really mention about this one, because risk reward ratio is gonna be change everything for you. If you not care about the risk reward ratio, you're gonna be not successful in the trading. For example, if you win the $1,000 on the one trade, if you not care about the risk reward ratio, you're gonna be lose the next trade would be 2,000, but it shouldn't be like that. It should be opposite. We're gonna be on this chart. We're gonna be a little bit describe it for you. I'm gonna go in for the details, what my strategy is, and describe it for you on the what's the best risk reward ratio is. First, that is our setup. As you can see here, if the entry here, as I said to you before, if the entry here we not open the this one, our risk reward ratio is gonna be 3. It means if I risk $1 in my account. If the trade is not going to the R direction, we lost $1. And if the like a risk to reward ratio, if the trade is going R direction, we're gonna get it, instead of the $1 that are risk in the trade, we're gonna get it $3. That is basic description for the like a risk to reward ratio. We're gonna go in for the more advanced on this one. As you can see on this image that is coming on on the screen, if you are risk to reward is been 1-to-1, you need to have a 51% of your trade to be profitable. And if the risk to reward ratio is 1-to-2, you need to be 34% of the winning rate to be at least break even or profitable a little bit. And if the risk to reward been 1-to-3, and it's gonna be 26% at least. And if the risk reward has been 1-to-4, it's gonna be 21%, and 1-to-5 is gonna be 17% at least. That is best setup for the risk reward ratio. And as you can see here, we risk 1 to get more, because the trading is not winning all the time. I'm being shocked sometimes. I see there like a one of the group or one of the signal that is coming to me, and the risk reward ratio is completely opposite, right? For example, if you winning on this trade, is gonna be a small amount on the trade, and if you lost, it's gonna be heaps of the money, is blow your account straight away. And imagine that risk to reward ratio, it should be at least twice your risk. That is completely wrong setup that you can see a lot of people that is done under like a trading. They have a small amount of the profit, but if you lost, it's been lost a lot of money, maybe 10 times of your money. As you can see here, this is risk to reward ratio 0.1, and if the winning 10 and you have a loss in the one trade, all of your winning is completely wiped up. That is not right. If you think about the risk to reward ratio, you need to be cautious about what you're trading. Risk to reward ratio is really important topic. Take a profit early, right? And a stop loss, you don't close your account until to like a stop loss. They don't have a, if they care about the risk to reward ratio at least 2, right? They're not over the 70% winning rate, except the smart money, right? 60%, 70% at most, 80% of the risk, right? It's gonna be the average of the best trader, professional trader. I'm wondering, some people advertise 99% of the trading winning on the trade. What's your winning rate? You need to ask yourself, what's the winning rate? What's the risk to reward ratio is? Risk to reward ratio is really important topic. Don't be this trader, because this is gonna be blow your account in the one trade. You wipe up all of your profit in the one trade. If you are winning 20 trade and your risk reward ratio is 0.1. 2 trade that is lost, you wiped off all of your winning that is on the market. As you can see on the screen, that is my strategy for take a profit. We are not predict the market, right? We should have a strategy to get the highest profit in the market. As you can see here, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 take a profit on him, but we not average it on the position. For example, if you have a $100 on the one position, you not take a profit each step. Is, for example, 17% of your trade, take a profit of them. We not take a profit on this level. We're gonna go in for the more advanced to take at least risk reward ratio 2:1. As you can see on the right hand side, we have a 1 bell chart on the right hand side. This bell is really important because you need to get the highest profit on the level 3 and 4 to get a maximize with the low risk of your profit. We should care about this one. If you want to take a profit, you need to get a maximum on this area, because the curve is being on this area. This curve is really important. If you take your profit on the first, take a profit 1 and take a profit 2, take a profit early, you're not gonna reach your risk reward 2 at least for somehow, right? You need to get a maximum on the level 3 and 4, right? And leave a rest for the TP5 and the TP6. Depend on your strategy. Some people has a less take a profit, they have a 2 or 3, and maybe maybe some of the people are doing the 1 only and take a profit on the level 1 or 2, 3. But my strategy, I need to make my trade risk free, because we can't predict the market, and we should care about the don't lose. We think about the how to don't become the loser and take our share and going for the next trade. We should care about our lose only, but it doesn't mean to be don't care about the risk reward ratio. My strategy is like that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope so it's added value to you, and enjoy your trading. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow my Discord channel and like the video if they added value to you, and see you next time.